In FBM, we had less of theory, but a lot of practical explanation and hands-on work.
Manik Sharma.
Hi, my name is Manik Sharma and I'm from the graduating undergrad FBM batch. I'm working at Miragio, and Miragio is a handbag brand, and I'm working as a marketing and PR executive. In terms of studying, practical learning was too much. In FBM, we had less of theory, but a lot of practical explanation and hands-on work. I interned at two different places. The first was Coach. I was working as a front-end sales fashion consultant at DLF Emporio. And the other one was Tangerine Design. I was working in back-end manufacturing of handbags. Significant aspect, I would have two. So one would be learning, and the second one would be opportunities. Be it opportunities in the fashion space, finding internships, working, and not even that, while working, you face some challenges. You don't know how to talk to people, how to interact, just basic workings. And that help from faculty, I feel like, was the most important for me to, start my journey and be a professional in the industry. So my overall learning experience at IIAD was immense. Like, I've learned so much, be it about the fashion community, be it about just business, every different aspect that you can imagine that can covered it all, and learned so much. The faculty had helped us so much, and just practical learning and immense growth and learnings. The most what I miss about IIAD is the breaks and chilling in cafeteria and just roaming around in college, meeting new people every day, finding people from everywhere around the country, and just bonding and making friends. Confidence in your work, whatever you've put up, definitely read it, and definitely you should be confident in explaining it. Then only you can convince the jury members that you've done your work yourself. And you should be proud of your work, however it may be, less, more, never compare.